As everyone knows, Trump has 5 children, but they don't look alike because they were born to 3 different mothers. Indeed, Trump has had 3 wives, Ivana, Marla, and Melania, all of whom are talented and beautiful women. The eldest son, Donald Jr., is 47 years old, stands 6.07 feet tall, graduated from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, and is currently the vice chairman of the Trump Organization. The eldest daughter, Ivanka, is 43 years old, 5.91 feet tall, beautiful, and has an attractive figure. She also graduated from the Wharton School and previously served as a White House special assistant. The second son, Eric, is 40 years old, 6.43 feet tall, graduated from Georgetown University, and is now an executive vice president of the Trump Organization. These 3 children were born to Trump and his first wife, Ivana. Later, Trump married his second wife, Marla, and they had a daughter, Tiffany. Tiffany, now 30 years old and 5.68 feet tall, she also graduated from the University of Pennsylvania and holds a law degree from Georgetown University. Because Marla and Trump's marriage lasted only 6 years, Tiffany's presence within the Trump family is relatively low. Trump's youngest son, Barron, is now 18 years old, stands 6.76 feet tall, and attends New York University. He was born to Trump and his current wife, Melania, and was called the billion-dollar baby at birth. He closely resembles a young Trump with a calm and collected demeanor. Trump raised his children with strict rules: no drugs, no smoking, no drinking, no tattoos, focus on studies, and work hard. So far, Trump's children have all shown outstanding qualities, and one has to admit that he indeed has a knack for parenting.